Good morning, students. Hope you are doing good. Already we know the first equation of motion, right? What is that? V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion. And this first equation of motion, it shows the relationship between velocity and time. Okay, now the second equation of motion. Totally, we have three equations. Let's see the second equation of motion. The second equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so this is the second equation of motion. Dear kids, just pause the video and remember the first equation of motion. Good. So what is the first equation of motion? V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion, and S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion. Okay. And the first equation of motion, it gives the relation between velocity and time. And the second equation of motion, it shows the relationship between displacement and time. Have you all understood? It is an important one word. The first equation of motion shows the relationship between dash and dash. What is the answer? Good. Velocity and time. And the second equation of motion shows the relationship between displacement and time. So totally how many equations do we have? 3. And the third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, this is the third equation of motion. And the third equation of motion, it gives the relationship between velocity and displacement. Okay, first one gives velocity and time, second equation gives displacement and time, and the third one gives the relationship between displacement and velocity. Here, why don't we mention the word time? Just see this equation. Is there any t? No. That's what this third equation gives the relationship between velocity and displacement. Okay. Just pause the video and recall all the three equations of motions. Now, let's solve the sums one by one. See the first question. The second equation of motion, what is that? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here what is the correct option? Good. Option 4. Then the second equation of motion gives the relationship between it gives the relationship between displacement and time. So here what is the correct option? Option 1. Then third one, the third equation of motion, good, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Immediately we have the habit of circling the second option, right? Because it shows v square minus u square in the left hand side. Without seeing right hand side, we may mark. So you have to see the option correctly, then mark. Now listen, v square minus u square is equal to minus 2as. Is it correct? No. So which option will come? Third one. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So which is the correct option? Option 3. Number 4. The third equation of motion gives the relationship between, very good, what is that? Displacement and velocity. What is the correct option? Number 2. Now let's see the seventh sum. Given that u square is equal to minus 2s in SI unit. Okay. Using this equation, calculate the final velocity. So it is in the form of first equation of motion. So what is the first equation of motion? V is equal to u plus at. Is this equation in the form of this one? No. Then second one, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Is this in the form of the second equation? No. And what is the third one? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. So here V represents final velocity and u represents initial velocity. A represents acceleration. You all know this already, right? And S represents displacement. Okay, let me ask you. V for final velocity, U for initial velocity, A for acceleration, S for displacement. Now, so this equation, it is in the form of third one. So let me write it here. Third equation is V square minus U square is equal to 2as. What is the sum? U square is equal to minus 2s. Okay. Now, here they have given plus u square, but here we have minus. So, I am going to take this minus u square to that side of the equal. So, v square, and I am going to take this 2as in this side. So, it will become minus 2as is equal to u square. Now see, u square, minus 2s and minus 2as, and according to the formula we have v square. Is there any term related to v square here? No. That means the value of v is equal to 0. So what is the value of final velocity? 0. So here which option will come? Option 3. Then eighth one, given v square is equal to 2as. Using this equation, find initial velocity. Okay, the same formula. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. What is the sum? V square is equal to 2as. That means, what is the value of u? 0. So here u represents initial velocity. So what is the value of initial velocity? 0. Just check the option. Is there any option 0 meter per second? Good. Option 4. So for 8th question, what is the correct answer? Option 4. Good, my dears.